Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Planning your next big adventure just got easier and more powerful with Garmin BaseCamp 2025. This updated software helps you meticulously map out every detail of your outdoor journeys. With enhanced mapping capabilities and new, intuitive sharing tools, preparing for your trips is now smoother than ever before. BaseCamp lets you organize all your routes, tracks, and crucial waypoints, ensuring your Garmin device is perfectly loaded and ready to guide you. It's truly your command center for outdoor exploration. Crafting the perfect route is fundamental to any successful expedition, and BaseCamp makes it incredibly intuitive. You can effortlessly design detailed routes, integrating all your custom waypoints directly onto comprehensive topographical maps. Simply drag and drop points to fine-tune your path, ensuring every twist and turn is precisely where you want it. This powerful feature even lets you simulate your entire journey virtually, providing valuable insights and helping you anticipate any potential challenges before you even step out the door. Beyond just routes, BaseCamp empowers you to meticulously manage your waypoints and tracks. You can easily mark crucial locations, like campsites, water sources, or scenic viewpoints, ensuring you never miss a beat on your trip. The software also allows you to import and thoroughly analyze your recorded tracks from previous adventures. This means you can review detailed elevation profiles, scrutinize specific data, and learn valuable insights from every journey you've taken, making future trips even better planned. The 2025 update introduces several exciting enhancements that significantly elevate your BaseCamp experience. You will immediately notice the crisper, more detailed enhanced map rendering, making your topographical views truly stunning. There is also greatly improved cloud synchronization, ensuring your meticulously planned routes and tracks can be seamlessly shared across your devices and with your adventure companions. Plus, the overall user interface has been subtly refined, offering a more intuitive and streamlined experience for everyone. Ready to transform how you plan your outdoor excursions? Garmin BaseCamp 2025 is completely free and readily available for download. It offers broad compatibility, seamlessly running on most Windows and Mac operating systems, making it accessible to nearly all adventurers. Don't let complicated planning hold you back. This powerful, user-friendly tool is designed to simplify your preparation. Download BaseCamp today and confidently begin mapping out your next incredible journey into the great outdoors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.